You're welcome in your maths, and I got a new problem. Today we are going to prove this triangle's inequality. So let's go. So for proving this, let me draw a triangle and let me name the sides A, B and C. Now I will draw a line such that this and this angle becomes same, and as you know that side opposite to equal angle are equal, so this length is also A, and if this whole length is B, then this is B minus A. Now let me name the angles. Let's say this angle is alpha, this is theta, so this angle is alpha plus theta, so this is also alpha plus theta. Okay, now let this angle x, so this is alpha plus theta, this is x, so this is x plus alpha plus theta, exterior angle property. Okay, now look at this triangle. You can see that this angle is greatest, so you know that greater angle has greater side, so C is greater than this side, which is B minus A. We can also write it as A minus B, but it's negative, so we will apply mod for resolving all this problem. Now let's observe the range of B minus A. So if I drag this point to here, means I will make this angle here, so this B minus A becomes 0, and yes, it is its minimum value, and here our relation is valid as C is always greater than 0, and the max value of B minus A is slightly less than C, because when it becomes C, then this whole length becomes A plus C, and in my previous video I have told you that sum of two sides is always greater than third side, but here B, which is A plus C, it's not greater, it's equal. So for maintaining this A plus C greater than B, we must have to take the difference B minus A smaller than C. Hopefully you get it, so don't forget to like and subscribe.